easy. At this point in time, our judges have come up with choices for the prom king and queen and prom prince and princess. But before we go on to the winners, we will introduce you our judges for the evening.
The candidates were judged by the following criteria. During the preliminary selection of candidates, beauty, 40%, poise and elegance, 30%, attire, 30%. During the final selection of winners, beauty, 40%, poise and elegance, 30%, daring and confidence, 20%, audience impact, 10%.
And here is the judges during the preliminary selection of candidates. Our judge number 1 is the overall committee.